Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today, we're making a trade in E-Trade account. Now, XL has been really hammered along with the SPACs recently. I put a couple puts out there, not doing so awesome, but let's take a look at the detail. Alright, you see this chart, doesn't look so good. It's down from a high of 28. So, not super awesome. Let's look at the 3-month. You can definitely see it's in a downtrend, right? It's spiked up. But when it first came out, it was a $10 stock. Now it's half of that. And they have some pretty good product. They don't have real production yet, but that's okay. Nobody really does, but their stock shouldn't be getting hammered this badly. And it sounds like they have some interest in their company. So here's what I want to do. Do an option trade for XL. Yep, it already knows. And we're going to go out to June. Just give this thing some time to work itself out. I'm going to sell to open. Select that. Alright. That looks pretty good. So, limit order. Limit price 0.95. Term. Let's do day. And wow, it really just dropped a lot, didn't it? Down to 586. Interesting. Okay. Preview. Place the order. Okay. Let's view it. No. It is still sitting there. Let's try again. Interesting. Why did that not work? Try that. Now. There it is. Okay. So now we've got a put, a $6 put in XL for June. So that's pretty good. If I can make 90 cents a month for 12 months, I'll take that Arorc. That sounds like a pretty good deal. Though it's slightly over a month. So, it's not bad. Alright guys, that's today's daily options trade. Be sure to like this video and stay tuned to see how this trade turns out. And subscribe for wealth building techniques. Alright guys, thanks for watching.